Well, we've been here for about 7 years. I think we wanted to start the ramp course just to find a different way of doing things. We were just getting so sad about the grass not growing, and why isn't it growing? I think we thought that letting the cattle free roam was the way to go. So when we discovered the ramp course and I started doing some more reading, I was like, oh yeah, we can make a positive benefit here. But I needed the knowledge. I was a bit apprehensive about it to start with the program being online because I am a bit of a technophobe, and it was actually the very first time that I'd even used Zoom. So I was a little bit worried about how I was going to feel connected with the group just through the screen. But I think by having the group being every 2 weeks and having to use that technology regularly, it was really fine. I found that we were able to make really good connections, and when we did all meet when we were doing farm tours, it was sort of like you already knew each other. The ramp course has really brought that whole regen ag thing, you know, front and centre into our minds. We used to get quite obsessed by weeds, and now after doing the course, I understand that it's about what's going on under the ground. It's in the soil. I don't know why we hadn't really thought about that. We've certainly developed a really lovely community with the group that I've been with, and that's been invaluable in being able to just bounce ideas off them. We learned a lot of unexpected things, I suppose, by having that diverse community.